Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mix Flip, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to first of all activate the developer options. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So as I said, let's enter the About phone and here localize OS version. Keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode and go back to the general settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Scroll down again and enter developer options. And here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates, and tap on the switcher to turn it on. So from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.